Check. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's your host, MC Chosen. Check. What up? Who's live in the building today? Come on, goes like this. Yo, give you the fundamentals and the essence in the prime time. Better down, welcome you to MC Chosen's live. Been doing this for 25 years in the game, trying to maintain. Got my own studio, ready to put the work in. You better know hard work, ethics better know. Give you the fundamentals and the essence in the prime time. Welcome you to MC Chosen's live. I know it's a way to kill, putting a whole life on a pedestal. Before it's over, when it's done, reach up to the sun with this. Yo. I got this movement sound, better know with this underground. Yo. Got this boom bap sound with this underground. Fan now, it is what it is, no question devour. No, I'm not a coward. All these MCs ain't nothing but sour. Go and have a cold shower. Hook up a feed, better knowing I'm at the door. Yo, what is the question? It is what it is, no question about. Give me the essence in the prime. Better know, welcome you to my lifeline. Where the hard work pays off. Better know, not gonna hit a pistol. Welcome you to this freestyle. Better know, doing this since I was a wild child up in my youth days. Prime factor. Better know, is there life after death? Hip hop, trying to answer my questions. Better know, can you try and answer this? Looking for a booty call. Better know, and I stand tall with pride. Catch you by surprise with the fundamentals. Better know, escape. Welcome you to MC Chosen Live. Yo, give the fundamentals. You are welcome you to MC Chosen's Live. You are give you the fundamentals. Hey. Yo, welcome to MC Chosen's Live. You are give you the fundamentals. Hey. Welcome you to MC Chosen's Live. Got the world took, put the world shook. Burning bridges, better know, overlook. I'm about to show you, you can read me like a book. Flip the next page, better know, got folks for days. Yo, it's Uncle Chosen, Big Chosen, aka, know the slogan is. Yo, what it is, what it ain't. Better know, your capability. I give you the preferred sounds underground, better know how it gets down.